In this morning's health alert, flu and cold season is here. So let's talk about if we can actually boost our immune system and the top ways to do that with Providence's Kristin Filer.
Well, some say you can't boost your immune system, but many say, and the research does show, that you can help protect your immune system and you can support your immune system. So the basics during this flu season, cold season, COVID season, the basics: washing your hands, not touching your face, and taking social distancing seriously. And I don't say that necessarily because of COVID, but because the flu virus. So the reason why we see the flu and we see the cold during these winter months is not because we went outside with wet hair or no jacket, like, sometimes mom would always tell us. The reason why we catch a cold if we are outside is because the cold air, the flu virus, tends to hang out and stay airborne longer in those cold, less humid months. So for someone who stays inside all the time, and let's say you are susceptible for colds, making sure your filters are changed, maybe investing in a humidifier, because like I said, it tends to stay in those less humid environments. Also, we tend to be inside a lot more during these winter months, so we are in close contact with people. So not necessarily because of COVID, but because when we're inside, watch your social distancing with other people. So, the top things that you can do, so we can boost, we can help support our immune system, and the ways that you can do that are, first of all, getting enough sleep. So when we sleep, our body tends to produce and release these proteins called cytokines. There's many different kinds of them, but the ones that we need are produced and released during sleep. So when you have an infection and an inflammation, stress of a certain kind, they will flood your body and help fight that infection. So they have found with sleep deprivation, those type of cytokines are not produced and they're not released, along with other antibodies and other cells. So we want to get a good amount of sleep. The other thing too is exercise. They have found that moderate exercise with older adults has helped boost their immune system. And then of course with exercise, we get good circulation. So that contributes pretty directly because that allows the cells and other substances in the immune system to move freely and do what they need to do effectively.